Hey, hi, hello, it's CACO. So welcome back to another video, to another episode, and to my very first get ready with me video kind of thing. So yeah, I really don't know how to do this, so I'm gonna try my best. So I woke up around 4:30 a.m. and got out of bed around 5 a.m. Yeah, that's not the usual time I get up or wake up. I usually wake up at 5 a.m. then get up at 5:30 a.m. So, bakit ang aga ko gumising? So, I could be able to film this video, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup because remember the school makeup routine I uploaded a few months ago? Well, if you haven't, you need to watch it. And kung napanood mo na, thanks! So, in this video, mapapansin nyo na nag-iiba or na iba na yung routine ko. So, this is my makeup bag, or yeah, that's what you call it there. It's from Mango, however you pronounce it. So I'm just going to use concealer for my under eyes. My body clock is so up. Anyway, I'm going to use this Maybelline Focus Instant Age Rewind Thing concealer because sabi nila effective daw to, so I'm gonna use that. And kakabili ko lang nito, so let's see. Okay, then after that, I'll just use my finger to blend it out. Yes, it did cover up my eye bags, I think. Like, sobrang lala ng eye bags ko. Sabi, simula nung patapos na ng first sem, wala na masyadong tulog. Then I'll just set that with some powder. Where's my powder? I'm just going to use this Nichido loose powder. Like, of course, you need to set your makeup or else it will melt and go over the place. Sorry, I'm such a boring person. That's how I see myself. I'm a really boring person. Like, nobody wants to hang out with me that much. But it's okay. It's not like I live in order for the whole humanity to like me. What the hell do I care if you like me or not? Like, okay. Anyway, I got that coat from Sakutazugawa. Rascal Thingy Majingy. That title's too long for me to say. For my brows, I'm just going to use the Maybelline Brow Tattoo ink pen. Yeah, that. So yeah, just need to. Where's the comb for my eyebrows? There. What are my thoughts about this? Well, it's easy to use or not. I don't know, depends. Like, faster, yeah, but maybe the flop here is it's not that waterproof because, you know, konting pawis ko lang, nawawala na. Like, nabubura na. So, that's a no-no. And, yeah. So, I'm gonna shut up while doing my brows because I'm not comfortable or I can't talk while doing my eyebrows, so... Okay, brows are done and... They look fine, right? I think not. Anyway, who cares? For my lips, I'm just going to use this Maybelline Baby Lips lip balm, and I've been using this for almost a year now, so... There. I don't want to get those chappy lips. Like... Who wants chappy lips though? Anyway, have I told you that it's the start of our second semester and today is the first day? So that's one of the reasons why I decided to make a get ready with me video. So for my lips and blush, I'm just going to use this Lunar Organics Summer Clay Blush. You can get this from Artifine's PH. That's their Facebook page, and their Instagram, lunarorganics.ph. They're the original ones or the authentic ones, so it costs about 250 pesos. I still don't want to go to school yet, you know, so I'm just going to wipe off the top part, and I need tissue. So what I would do is a drunk blush, even though I don't drink. Like, I'm just gonna do this. There, it's, if that's how you do it, then okay. If not, okay. Then I will use a brush to blend it out. I don't like using my fingers when doing this because I don't know, I'm not comfortable with that. I don't wanna go to school yet. Just wanna lie in bed and do nothing or film a video. I don't know. I don't know what to do with my hair. I have to set my face because we don't want that going around and around, you know. Anyway, I'm just using this Maybelline Master Fix by Face Studio thing. So, paubos na yung aking setting spray, so I need to get a new one. And wala pang ipon and everything, so if you have a really kind heart, you might get me some. Or Maybelline, you might want to sponsor me, like, most of my makeups are from Maybelline, so maybe you want to sponsor me anyway. Just kidding. Yes, I'm coming! I don't know what to do with my hair yet, like, it's a mess. Or maybe I just leave it like that, I still look cute. Just kidding, I'm not. So, yeah, I'll just leave it like this. Still looking fine, you know. Time check, 6:15, and I have to go because commute lang ako ngayong araw kasi maagang umalis yung dad ko. So I'm just going to wear this choker of mine. Though I'm agnostic, I still like wearing things with cross. Looking fine? Yeah. Then my eyeglasses. Of course, so I could see the world in 1080p. That's it, I need to go to school, so see you later. Yo! First day of second semester and I already want to have Christmas break. Like, who doesn't? I was reviewing the clips, or the clips that I filmed earlier today and realized that I wasn't able to end the video, so I'm here to end the video. So, anything else? Nothing really? Yeah, so there you go. You know the drill, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, bell button, you know, everything and such like that. You know that. You already know that. Yeah, of course you do. Always remember to stay humble, have a strong mind, because you're one of a kind. Bye!